In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Supercell verification code not being received in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're having trouble receiving your Supercell verification code when you're trying to log in to your Clash of Clans account, don't worry, there's two easy ways to fix it. The first method is actually out of Clash of Clans, and it's actually just updating your email app. Most of the times, the issue isn't caused by the game, but your email app. Say, for example, you're using Gmail, just make sure it's updated to the latest version. For some reason, old versions fail to show new emails, including verification codes. The second method is also just checking your spam or junk folder, because Supercell sometimes send verification codes straight to the spam folder, so make sure to check there if it's not in your inbox. On top of that, if you're still not seeing the code, try resending it after a few minutes and double check that you entered your email correctly. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great day. Peace.